Nigerian TV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV. I beg, if this one is the first time when you dey watch our video, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DGM TV and make you hit your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge video. The gist for today will make us enter the street of Benin. We say we want to know the mind of the people concerning the political igidi agada when they take place now. Not be news again. Say the present Edo State governor, when his name be Governor Godwin Obaseki, say APC when him dey don't disqualify him from the primary when they want hold on the 22 of this month. And again, he get plans now to move into another political party. So we want get the mind of Edo people when what did they get to talk concerning the decisions when don't happen for these few days now. Make una follow us. Oga,
my brother,
I believe say you know wetin dey happen for the state now concerning the political climate when they our state now.
I'm not going to say I don't know. Many things dey happen.
So what do you see concerning the disqualification of the governor, Obaseki, by APC?
My brother, the truth be say some people don't like good thing. The man, na good man. I mean the same party me and Indeo.
Okay. The
man na good man. And people don't like good thing. That made them disqualify him. I mean the same people when they qualify, they do one last time, now still use against you. Why the people qualify last time now not come qualify? Because it not allow some people do what they do before. It's a very simple matter. All of we don't be fool, we don't be children. We know the truth. Okay. We know the truth. Because the man not allow some people do waiting that they do before. Okay. Now they say no go let her come again.
Like now we see get the year say the man don't they prepare, the governor now they prepare to enter another party. So what do you think? Now the right moving they make so?
You see, for my own, everybody they entitled to an opinion. If the man choose say, okay, since these people don't want to allow me work, may I find another place? Now good thing. Now good thing. So because of that one, I know it's not a bad thing the man do. The man not do bad thing. Now good thing. If I want to come rent house for your house, you say no, you not agree, me I for not stay your street. I go rent house for another house, but I'll stay that street. If APC say they not agree, make the good man continue as governor, another person will give him, he go still do the governor. Come here, I tell you now the truth. Any party the man enter, any party this man, Obaseki, no get say enter, he go rule, he go win. Rig.
The one will make me laugh pass. Now say they set appeal committee so that the governor go appeal. Then the appeal committee supposed to decide either to the merit of the governor or the merit of the case. But the appeal committee they already submit their final decision when the governor never even appeal. So that tells you volumes. So what is happening? Anyway, I'm not a politician, but I'm an observer of the political scene. I've been in this state.
You go scatter and small.
I don't date this state for a while now. At least I don't see one transition to this present transition from a former, governor, a very powerful governor of this state. We try well for our state. Can't give us better man like that. We also they do very well. Maybe say everybody they happy like that too. But at least, they must be law and order now.
DGM TV.